What do we see?
Well, 2 times. I saw 2 times.
What's here?
I want to see it again.
You're crying?
No.
It's good?
Bit short.
Yes.
Well, not that side.
I think what is good.
Yeah. Let's see
Okay.
how this trouble will go.
So this is the start of our car trip to the Lofoten Island and Cape North.
And now we are currently in Lapland of Finland, and our plan is to go to the most northern parts of Europe to find out what is normal life for the people who are living there. Let's rewind a bit. The reason why we are traveling almost 2,000 kilometers to Lofoten and North Cape is that the places are breathtaking. Lofotens are mountainous islands in the far north by the Norwegian Sea. Fjords and wooden fishing houses combined with stark Arctic nature.
So our first stop is in a Husky Farm, where we are making a video of the story of Simona and her 40 dogs.
And this separate video, it's already out, so you can just go to see it from the link in the description of this video.
It's midnight or something like that. And we are arrived. Arctic side.
From now on, soon, we will just have sun all the time.
Yes. So, this is the first night?
Yeah, we found kind of a good place.
Yes. And it's 1:40 in the morning and the sun doesn't go down. So, good night.
Good night. The summer in the Arctic is intense. Standing on the Arctic Circle, you can see the sun for the whole night on the summer solstice. But as you go further north, for example to the top of Finland, Kilpisjärvi, the sun doesn't go down for 2 months. So now it's raining.
Yes.
We will have to see if we can do the hike.
No, I think not the highest. I don't know if we can do it, but in 30 minutes we arrive in the place.
Yeah.
So, well, the street is really good in reality, but now there is a bit of rainy and I think we saw a lot of reindeers also, so it was fun.
Yeah.
So finally we arrived in Norway. This is the second night we found this place for sleep this night. again, we are sleeping in the car. But well, was a really hard day today.
Yeah, we didn't do stuff as we planned.
Yeah.
The plan was to go to 3 borders to do a hike of 4 hours, 10 kilometers in Finland. But the weather in Kilpisjärvi was so bad, it was really freezing and sometimes raining, so we decided to skip it and just continue to Norway.
Yes, and well, now I don't know what time is it, but I think it's 9, kind of. It's a bit warmer than Finland, and we are cooking a pasta for this night, pasta with pesto. And let's see, tomorrow finally we will arrive in Lofoten Island, and will be really good there, I think.
Yeah. And hopefully we are meeting some people also.
Yeah, to ask what is the normality for them. So see you tomorrow. Good night.
June is one of the most sunny and clear months in Lofoten. On average, a bit more than half of the days are rainy and the temperature is around 10 degrees. We got most of the rainy days. Despite the challenging climate, there are around 24,000 inhabitants. In the biggest city of the islands, Svalbard, lives around 4,000 people. The flow of tourists during the summer makes the area more lively and brings seasonal workers to hotels and restaurants, like Julianne, who was a baker in the cafe we visited.
Yeah.
And you're from Norway?
Yes, I'm from Bodø.
Buda, where it is?
You drive to Moskenes,
Yeah.
like an hour from here, and then you take the ferry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's kind of business place or...
Bodø is, you can also drive around, and then it takes 6 hours.
Okay.
So it's not that far, it's just over the ocean.
Yeah. And you're working in here in this cafeteria?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in the kitchen baking all day.
Oh, nice.
I'm baking the cinnamon rolls.
Yeah. And how is living in here, this part of the world, like with the sea? And
I love it. I couldn't live anywhere else. In where I'm from, we also have the ocean, but it's a bigger town. It's like city life. Here is more like farmer life. I start at work 9 or 10. I come here, start on the cinnamon buns, and then I bake a lot. And
because we are finding out kind of like what is the normality for people living in here.
yeah, I see my roommates there. They go surfing after work or going on hikes. I haven't been on anything yet, but my plan is to go surf and go on mountain hikes and go to the beach and enjoy the nature. Yeah.
As Julianne said, the normality in Lofoten is living with the nature and living from the nature. The unique marine environment creates the magic of the islands, but it is also the base of the other main industry, fishing. From the Viking Age, people of Lofoten have been fishing Arctic cod, and then they tried to make stockfish. The smell of drying fish is also there during the summer, even though the fishing season is between February to April. I smell like fish. I have never eaten dried fish.
No?
My glasses were lost. Here, the ocean is around everywhere you go and everything you do. With the winds of Gulf Stream and beautiful sandy beaches, the islands are great for surfing. Coming through a tunnel, you will arrive at Undsted, a green valley surrounded by majestic mountains. The sand of Undsted beach is white like in tropic and the wind is coming from the open sea. We were sad to spend just one night there, when many others seemed to stay in Undsted longer. One of them was Axel, who had been traveling with the van for 4 months.
I'm Axel. I'm from Germany actually, but I lived the last years in Austria,
Yeah,
close to Innsbruck.
yeah. And you are here with your van and...
Yeah, exactly. We are since March. We are traveling with the van, me and my girlfriend, and right now we're looking forward to the sun.
yeah, looking for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like, how is the daily life like, living in a van and traveling? How it is?
We already tried to get this Norwegian style. They don't start that earlier. That's really nice.
Yeah.
And it's a bit more relaxed.
And what is like normality for you in this daily life?
Normality is really difficult to say, but for me it's normal that we have like that we have to go shopping, then we have to cook, all this basic stuff you have to at home you don't spend that much time on it and you don't force it that, and here it comes back that you're thinking a lot about it.
Yeah.
And I like that a lot. And also, where could I get water, where could I clean myself again, stuff like that. Sometimes you just jump in the river, and this is the normal life here. What is back home, it's super normal to have a shower, to have a kitchen, and here you come down on these basics, and that's what I like.
Yeah. And you were now surfing here. How was the waves?
It was really good.
Yeah.
So today it was a bit more stormy, but the days before was really good. And I'm still a bit cold, but it was
I can
cool.
imagine. People living in the north must always prepare for any surprises given by nature. But when the basics are in order, life seems quite calm because nature has a relaxing effect. Still, even though the frames are spectacular, normal life is not the spectacle. Everyone has their drawers and jobs, even stuff creating stress. For Lofoten, the stress comes from the popularity. Every year, around 500,000 people visit the islands when the local population is just 24,000. The buzz of tourists is now normality on beachfronts which were once solitude. But perhaps, still the normality of Lofoten can be a relief for the mind.
What do we see?
Well, 2 times. I saw 2 times.
What's here?
I want to see it again.
You're crying?
No, maybe. So, we tried to find people from here, and we went around of the city close to North Cape. But we found this one guy. He didn't want to be filmed. He was in his own boat, and he told that he goes every day fishing with that, and he's fishing, for example, cob and other fishes, and it was really cool that he owned a boat, but shame that he didn't want to be filmed.
Yeah, but well, doesn't matter because we arrived in Cape North, the final destination, after more than 40 hours of car and 3,000 kilometers, and so well, doesn't matter, we arrived and this is the view.
In conclusion, it was really hard to find the full normality of the North in a short trip like this, but we got a little glimpse of it. However, our plan is to explore the theme more in the coming videos, that we can find out about life beyond our normal. What is normal for you can be remote for someone else.